Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, March 30th. Hey, sorry for the late notice here today. We had a lot of stuff kind of going on this morning. It's the end of the month here. We're going to jump right into it because there is a bunch of economic news releases to go over. So today we got the personal income for the month of February. As you can see, personal income exceeded expectations. So January we had a 0.3%, and the February forecast was supposed to be 0.3%, and they actually exceeded that to 0.4%. So good news right there. That income still shows that it's increasing a little bit, which we need that wage inflation from the wage-based category there. We got the consumer spending, so as you can see, back in January we had a contraction, but we were supposed to jump up to 0.3% in February, and it did increase to 0.1%, but not quite to the level we were expecting at 0.3%, so a little bit low there. Core inflation, this is the Fed's favorite inflationary, this is actually the PCE, the personal consumption expenditure. When you strip out food and energy, we got the core, and it was up 0.1% back in January. It basically came in expectation at 0.1%. So year over year, the last 12-month average is at 1.4%. Still much further to go, where the Fed like to see it closer to 2% range here. We got the pending home sales for the month of February. So back in January, we had a 1.2% increase. It was supposed to contract a little bit in February and actually jumped up even further. So good news overall. For the most part, news were pretty good. Core inflation, of course, we like to see a little bit higher. And, of course, consumer spending, because we like to see people spending a little bit more money out there to grow more jobs and everything. Market's way up today. It's actually the Dow is up over 260 so far this morning. So they like the data we have, but there's also some M&A talk out there. And then there's also some, one of the biggies is some dovish comments made by the Chinese Central Bank that they're going to be probably doing some more accommodative actions to try to stimulate the Chinese government, Chinese economy going on, since it's been kind of stale for quite some time here. Bond market's also up a little bit, so it's up about 4 basis points from where we left off on Friday. So good news right there. That means a little bit better pricing in terms of interest rates. So good news right there. So stay tuned this week. We do got some a lot of economic news releases scheduled for this week, including the jobs numbers on Friday. So be prepared for Friday's job numbers. Could create some volatility in the market. And even leading up to that, because we'll have the ADP number, we'll have the weekly jobless claims, and then Friday will be the job, the numbers from the Labor Bureau of Statistics. Excuse me, I have a hard time getting that out. All right, folks. Hey, you guys have a wonderful day. We'll keep this short, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.